Hello again. Welcome to the channel. With a Hanimex, you never know what to expect. It's a brand that contains an extremely large number of different rebrands, and nobody knows exactly which ones. Hanimex often has preset aperture rings. This lens is a surprise for me. Once again, I'm using this wide-angle lens for close focus photography, which it was not originally designed for. Most of the photos were taken wide open, which produces beautiful bokeh. It's worth taking shots of completely unremarkable objects, or at least that's how it seems at first. Once I end up in post-processing, I've had many wow moments from a seemingly insignificant quick click.